Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we'll be making a ruffled scrunchie that's perfect for wrapping around a hair bun. This project is simple, fun, and adds a touch of style to your everyday look. Whether you're a beginner or already love crocheting, you'll enjoy how quick and easy this scrunchie is to make. So grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. For the materials, I'll be using 3.5mm and a medium weight yarn. First, we will make a slip knot and then we will chain 90. For the foundation chain, it's 90 because the stitch that we'll be making is in multiples of 3. After slip stitching, we're going to start working our first double crochet, which is chain 3. And then into the next available stitch, that is where we're going to work our second double crochet, followed by chain 1. We're going to skip a chain and then repeat working 1 double crochet into each of the next 2 stitches, chain 1 and skip 1 stitch. To end the round, we're going to slip stitch on top of the third beginning chain, which is the first double crochet that we've made. We're going to chain 1, then we will fasten off. Now we'll insert another color of yarn and we will work 2 rounds of mesh stitches. For round 2, first we're going to make a slip knot and then we'll insert it into the first stitch that we've made, 1 single crochet, chain 5, and then we'll repeat it until we get back around. Once we get back around, instead of chaining 5, we will just chain 2 and then work 1 double crochet on top of the first single crochet we have made. We will just repeat that into the next round. So we're going to chain 1 single crochet, and then chain 5, work 1 single crochet into the next chain 5 space, and we will repeat that until we get back around. Once we get back around, we'll just chain 5 and then simply work a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet that we have made, chain 1, and we will fasten off. We will repeat round 2 and 3 on the opposite side to create this ruffled mesh stitches. Once done, we're now going to chain 100 for the string and then we will sew it around. We will attach tulip bud into each end of the string. So to make that, first we're going to make a magic ring. Chain 1, work 6 single crochets into the ring. We will be working in spiral, so by the end of this round, we will just continue working single crochet stitches. So for round 2, after pulling the yarn tail, we're going to work increase or 2 single crochets into each stitch. So by the end of this round, we should have a total of 12 single crochets. For round 3, the increase will be into every second stitch around. So the sequence would be 1 single crochet and then 2 single crochet into the next stitch. We'll repeat that until we get back around, and we should have a total of 18 single crochets. For the last round of increase, we're going to work the increase into every third stitch. So the sequence will be 1 single crochet into the first, 1 single crochet into the second, and into every third stitch around, that's going to be 2 single crochet. By the end of this round, we should have a total of 24 single crochets. That's the last increase that we're going to make, because for round 5 to 10, we'll just work 1 single crochet into each stitch around. Once we reach round 10, we're just going to leave about a 6-inch tail for sewing the top part of the tulip later. And then we will use a stopper, or you can use a spacer just like mine. So it is easy to tighten the ruffled scrunchie. And then at the end of the string, we will be attaching the tulips. Add toy stuffing, fiber fill, or scrap yarns, and then we'll use the yarn needle to sew the top part of our tulip bud, and we will sew it this way to be able to get that tulip bud form. And that's it! We've just finished making this lacy ruffled scrunchie with pretty tulip buds. I hope you enjoyed following along and that you'll give this project a try. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more crochet tutorials, and share your finished scrunchies with me. I'd love to see your creations. Thanks for watching and happy crocheting!